Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to talk about the Bosch washing machine error code E05 in 2025. So what this error code E05 means on a Bosch washing machine. So that means the anti-C temperature sensor open circuit. The most common cause is a failure of the anti-C, the transmitter or temperature sensor. Either it's damaged, wear or loose, or the circuit is broken. So this means the washer can't detect water temperature, so it stops operation when it needs to heat water. Possible motherboard, the PCB or wiring issues. Less commonly, a fault on the main PCB or loose wiring between the sensor and control board can trigger E05. Now here is the troubleshooting steps. So first, perform a reset. Unplug the machine or switch off its circuit breaker for about 30 seconds to clear residual faults. Then reset and run a cycle. Step 2 is inspect and test the anti-C sensor. Locate the anti-C sensor, usually screwed into the tub, and unplug and measure resistance at room temperature, typically 5 kilowatt to 15 kilowatt. Then this ohm, actually 5 kilo ohm to 15 kilo ohm, so an open circuit or infinite resistance confirms failure. Now check wiring and connections. So look for loose connectors or damaged wiring between the sensor and control board. Then wiggle the wiring during testing. If resistance fluctuates or drops to OL, there's likely a loose contact. Replace the sensor. If faulty, use a compatible replacement exact to your model. Reinstall carefully, plug it in, reset the machine, and test with a wash cycle. Now here is the PCB or all other faults. If sensor and wiring are okay but E05 persists, suspect the main PCB or sensor circuit. In that case, a qualified technician's help is highly recommended. Now here is the community insights that from users who have dealt with similar issue on Reddit. It could be a simple part replacement. My washing machine had a E3 error, meaning it wouldn't drain water. We found the shock stuck on the draining tube. So on one suggestion from the Bosch subreddit, the double check or for obstructions, but in most E05 cases it's sensor related or not water flow. So here's the tips for you. Always prioritize the safety. Unplug first before inspecting or replacing parts. Obtain model specific part numbers via your machine's E-number, often found on the door edge or user manual. If under warranty or unsure, contacting Bosch service is wise. Now here is the final take. Error E05 indicates a broken or unresponsive anti-C temperature sensor or sometimes wiring or PCB issues. Start with a reset, then test and replace the sensor if needed. If problem persists after those steps, professional repair may be necessary. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up and let us know if there's any confusion left yet. Thanks for watching. Till next time.